Make your next video faster, or set others up to easily make videos in a certain style by using templates. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a template from scratch using placeholders and other media, or take a project that you've made just right and turn it into a template for consistent future videos. Let's see how it's done. Let's start with a new project and add some elements in the library. Several pre-built assets are included. For this example, let's use the State Intro asset from the Intros folder. Use the Properties panel to easily make changes to the media, such as titles and themes. Next, move the playhead past the intro and add your placeholder by using the hotkey P. A placeholder allows you to create a media object that's easily replaced with any piece of media from the media bin, library, or annotations. Include instructions to give the creators tips and guidance on usage. The notes are easily found by clicking on the placeholder here. Repeat these steps to add more placeholders. Let's add an outro and finish up this project. To maintain the same look and feel, use the same media as the intro. Again, use the Properties panel to make any changes. Once all the media and placeholders are on the timeline, magnetize the track to eliminate any gaps between the elements. This track magnetization is saved in the template, so future videos created from it will have no gaps. Now, save the template. Select File, Save Project as Template, and give it a name. If you want to share a template with another Camtasia user, that's easy too. With the template open, go to File, Export, and choose Template. Here, you name the template and create a shareable template file. Then easily share this file with a colleague. If you have a project you'd like to use to create a template, here's how to do it. Select Save As to make a copy of your project. Then right-click on a clip and choose Convert to Placeholder. Repeat this process for any other media that you'd like to convert to a placeholder. Remember to add instructions to give guidance. Now you can save this project as a template. Learning how to use templates and other tools within Camtasia is as easy as visiting www.techsmith.com/tutorial. Go forth and create with confidence.